Hi guys, welcome to FitNCalm. I'm Kushpinder and welcome to the day 19. And for day 19 we have a practice to royally pamper our face, our body. So it's going to be a light practice. You can sit on the mat if you feel like, and you can even do this practice on your bed if you want. So we'll be doing a bit of pranayamas today and a little bit of light yoga. So let's get into something comfortable. Let's get started. Let's begin in a comfortable seated position. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Now as you breathe in, gently keep the hand on your belly. Inhale and try to push the hand away, trying to pull the navel out. Breathe in, expand the abdomen. And as you breathe out, pull the belly in towards the lower back, pulling the hand in towards the body. As you inhale, just take the belly out. As you exhale, gently let the navel come in towards the lower back. One more joyful breath in and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Just notice how you breathe normally. Breathe in. As you breathe in, the tummy should come out. As you breathe out, the tummy should go in. If you see a newborn, that's how it will happen. So as the newborn breathes, it's like a balloon expands as you breathe in. And as you exhale, navel pulled into the lower back and gently release the hand, comfortably placing the hands on the top of the knees. Take a deep breath in and joyfully breathe out. We'll do the Kapalabhati pranayama today. All you have to do is, as you exhale, so just take all the air out of the body. Pulling the navel in might help. So take a breath in, and as you exhale, the belly will go in, the entire air will come out of the body. So all you have to do is this. Okay, let's start. Take a breath in, forcefully exhaling air out. Breathe out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and release. Just close your eyes, observe the sensations in the body. One more breath in and breathe out. Another deep breath in and let go. Just observing the body gently. For the second round, let's get ready. You can let the hands be on your knees. I'm just placing it on my stomach so that you can see how the movement is. So you don't need to focus on the inhalation. The inhalation will happen automatically on its own. Just focus on exhaling the air out of the body. Let the inhalation happen on its own. So we'll get ready again. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. Now for Kapalabhati, inhale, forcefully exhale. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and release. Once again, observing the sensations in the body. You can close your eyes. Just notice the energy in the body. Take another deep breath in and let go. Joyfully, one more breath in and exhale. Gently to the third round. You may keep your eyes closed if you're familiar with the practice. If you want to see, you may gently open. Take a breath in and exhale. One more breath in and breathe out. For the final round of Kapalabhati, Breathe in, forcefully exhale. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And release. Gently relax the body, close your eyes, observe the sensations within. One more deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in and exhale. Slowly open your eyes with a wide smile. Take a deep breath in and let go. Gently place the right ear towards the right shoulder without lifting the shoulder up. Just let the right ear come to the right shoulder, and with the right hand gently tug the hand towards the right side. Let the left shoulder also be relaxed. Don't let the left shoulder come up. Feel the stretch in the side of the neck as you do this. And gently release the hand and slowly inhale, come back to the center. As you exhale, bring the left ear to the left shoulder. Just feel the stretch, let the shoulders be relaxed, and with the left hand gently tug the head towards the left side of the body. Make sure the right shoulder does not lift up. Just feeling the stretch in the side of the neck. Take a breath in and breathe out. One more breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Gently release the hand. And as you inhale, bring the head back to the center. Exhale, bring the chin to the chest. Take the hands at the back of the head and gently tug the head in towards the chest. Deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Gently inhale, come back to the center and drop the head back, placing the hands on the forehead, and with the hands gently tug the head back. Take a breath in, breathe out. One more breath in, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and let go. Gently release the hands, and as you inhale, bring the head back to the center. Slowly bring both the hands in front. Just interlace them and just stretch the hands outwards. Just stretch the body out, and now slowly just twist the body to the right and back to the center. Twist the body to the left and back to the center, and inhale, take the hands back up, stretch the body up. Slowly as you exhale, come down, gentle twist to the right and back to the center, a gentle twist to the left and back to the center. Now slowly take the thumb and the index finger, and we will slowly pinch the eyebrows from the top to the bottom. The eyebrows have so many points where stress gets accumulated. So letting all the stress out today. Just pinching the eyebrows. And release. Now take the fingertips, and from the top to the end of the eye underneath, just gently massage the eyes, going up. Gentle massage to the eyes. We'll become our own beauticians today, beautifying our faces. And and release. Now just open the eyes wide and close them tight. Open wide, close tight. Open, close. Open, close. Open and close. And now let's blink the eyes fast. In this age of smartphones and computers, we don't blink our eyes enough. So today let's finish that quota. Just blink, keep blinking. And now just close the eyes, rub the palms together, generating a little heat. Rub them a little faster, a little more, keep rubbing them. And now place the palms on the eyes. Just relaxing the eyes, feel that relaxation. And gently bring the hands down. Now we'll work a little bit on the jaw. So let's see who can make the funniest face today. So we'll move our jaw left to right. Just let's see. Keep moving. Open the jaw wide as much as you can. And now give the universe a kiss. Once more, open wide. And universe a kiss. Once more. Last time. Let's do it one more time. And this time, let's give ourselves a kiss. And relax. We'll bring these 3 fingers on the top of the jaw, open the mouth wide, and from the top we'll press into the skin and come down. Notice if you can feel something underneath the skin or if it's smooth. And release. Now just roll the shoulders back. Inhale as you go up and exhale as you come down. Once more, inhale, come up, exhale down. Last time, inhale, come up, and as you exhale, bring them down. Now inhale, the opposite direction, let the shoulders come up, exhale down. Inhale, come up, exhale down. Inhale, come up, and exhale down. Once more, inhale, come up, and exhale down. Just relax the body, take a breath in, and breathe out. Gently bring the hands in front, open the fingers wide, and close them tight. Open them wide. Close tight, open wide, close tight. Now just roll them. They help us throughout the day with our gadgets, with computers, with all the technology. Just pampering them a little bit. Just go the opposite direction this time. Just giving a little attention to the body right this moment. A little attention. And a little pampering, and slowly exhale down. Take a deep breath in. Now come back to your center, come back to this moment. Stretch out the right hand in front and bring it to the left side of the body. And with the left hand, just slowly bring it close to the body. You might have done this movement a lot of times in gyms as well. It's the awareness that makes it yoga. So just being aware of your body this moment, aware of the breath, aware of the movements, and totally being with yourself. With a smile, take a breath in. Joyfully breathe out. One more breath in and exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale, relax. Gently this time, let's stretch out the left hand And slowly bring it to the right side of the body. With the right hand, just pull the left hand towards the body. Feel the stretch in the shoulder and the arm. Just being with the body and breath at this moment. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. One more breath in. Exhale. Not forgetting to smile. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath in. And breathe out. Gently relax the arms. Just relax the body. Let the spine be straight. Let the head, neck, face relax. We'll do the Nadi Shodhan Pranayama today, also known as the Anulom Vilom Pranayama. It's very, very good for the body, balances our energies. So all we need to do is take the left hand, join the index finger and the thumb together and join the other three fingers and point them outwards like this. You might have seen it everywhere and might have done it for yoga photos. So let's just place it on the left knee. And the right hand, index finger and middle finger come in between the eyebrows, placing the thumb on the right nostril, placing the little finger and the ring finger on the left nostril. Now we breathe in through both the nostrils, closing the right nostril with the thumb, exhale through the left, inhale through the left nostril, closing the left nostril, exhale through the right, inhale right, close the right, exhale left, inhale left, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left, inhale left, exhale right, inhale right, exhale left, inhale left, exhale right, inhale right, and exhale left. Gently relax the hands, let both the palms be open to the ceiling. Just let the whole body relax. Just close your eyes. Just bring the awareness back to the body. And right this moment, know that you are totally and dearly loved by this universe. Take a breath in and breathe out. Just feel gratitude in each and every cell of your body. Feeling grateful for this life. Feeling grateful for this practice of yoga. Feeling grateful for all our loved ones. For all that we have received in life. The more gratitude we feel, the more we get things in life. The more gratitude, the more grace flows in life. So fill yourself with gratitude up to the brim. Take another breath in and exhale. If you feel like, you may continue with our Yoga Nidra practice. If you feel like, you can just sit and meditate for a few more minutes. May you stay fit and calm.